Okay, we're fixing to get this tour started. We're going to be on the Miss Clayton today.
They have 5 working waterfalls, one of which flows right into their swimming pool. The cottage itself is 17,000 square feet. Only 2 of the waterfalls are viewable from the river here. You see one on the left right now. There's a statue over there of a winged eagle because that's the name of the property. So here's one of their waterfalls.
We are at Bolt Castle, and this is the playhouse that they had built for the kids. Wow, could you imagine having a playhouse like this when you were a child? Okay, we have left the kids' playroom area, and we are going to go in the castle itself. I am so glad that they are preserving this place that was left empty for years. And we'll be able to see that when it was left empty, that people would come over here on their boats and go through it and write graffiti on the walls. You'll still be able to see the remnants of that. So this is the grand entrance, it says. Wow, this place is amazing. And this was Louise's room. So they had separate bedrooms. This was the reception room for the guests. The Bolts would be brought here, and then the Bolts would come in and receive their guests. This is the billiard room. Oh, the architect in here is just amazing in this castle. There's George Bolt. So this is the Bolt Castle architectural drawings. You have the foundation plan, billiard room ceiling, fireplaces, reception room, ground floor, library, and of course the playhouse that we went to earlier. But here are the original plans, 1900 to 1904. Here's 100-year-old building materials still in the shipping crate. That's the 3rd floor decorative wood column, wrap, decorative concrete column topper, crown molding, and decorative millwork. Wow. There's the 4th floor plan. Across the bay there from the castle is the yacht house.
I'll be the skinwalker. Let's go.
Grandkids having fun exploring the castle, making memories. That's what it's all about. I don't know what this building is, but we're fixing to go check it out and see. This is the powerhouse. I could just live in the powerhouse. It's big enough for me. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Let's go inside. Caution, caution, slippery when wet. So this is the, wow.
What is
So that's the Delco light generator and battery. So that's what would power the lights in the castle, is these batteries. Go back over here in the powerhouse. Wow. This is amazing. Yep. Generators and light bulbs. And those would have been some of the lights, I think. Or are they batteries? That I don't know. These would be the generators, right? Wow. Wow. Yep. Isn't that cool?